name is Layla Fritz, and I'm 9, and I wrote this book. The pigeon drives the truck. Wait, what? And the back says, Pigeon gets to drive a truck. Pigeon gets to drive a truck is about Pigeon gets to drive a truck. And something happens. Find out what. To Mo. Hi, I'm Amy. I'm going to let the pigeon drive the truck. Oh. OMG. And his truck says, truck yeah. You're asking why? Well, I know he can't drive, so I know he will learn a lesson somehow. Oh, yeah! And then the joke is that he's driving away and he can actually drive. You should go get him! And there's Mo right there. She's like, okay, because she knows she did something wrong. And she says, Pigeon! He's just cleaning his truck. Yes. You need to stop driving the truck. Okay. And this is them talking. This is her driving the truck home and then putting it in her garage. The end. And these are all the colors I used. So the end.